challenge negative thought and replace them with redirecting empowerment thoughts. Redirecting means you change course. You are in a relationship. You better change course. Set new sails. Because if you want to be in a ship, the chances are likely that you're still practicing very antiquated ways of transporting yourself from one place to the next. We now use rockets. And we use A380 jetliners that has the most phenomenal facilities in the air. So be attentive of your progress and not of getting things perfect. Because to get things perfect in the way that you think about it consumes a tremendous amount of time unnecessarily. You don't have to subject yourself to that. Confirmation. Celebrate small steps, small triumphs, small victories, small wins, and celebrate your growth. Be attentive of your progress. Don't sit here with all these expectations of how fast. It's not McDonald's, it's your life. It's not fast delivery, instantaneous satisfaction. It's a process, and process requires progress. So cultivate your contemplation. Contemplation means that you're considering the context that you give your life, the meaning that you're ascribing to your experiences and to your ideas of how life should be or what should be happening. Because those are all concepts. You haven't experienced them yet. They still need to happen. So cultivate your contemplation and elevate your presence. Because when you can anchor yourself in the present moment through your presence and you let go of worries and you let go of the past and what happened and should have, could have, would have there, and then you also project it onto the future, and when this moment is a threat, how can you possibly expect your psyche to look forward to a future? It doesn't work like that.